Okay, so I have torn off the edges of the paper. It's supposed to help prevent like a harsh ironing line. And I have my iron prepped to the hottest temperature that my fabric can take. Now I'm gonna put some blank plain paper in between the shirt front and the shirt back, like in between the fabric, because otherwise the ink could bleed through to the back side. And now I'm putting my image face down on the fabric. I'm going to place it kind of where I want in the center, and I need to put more blank paper on top, and that's good to go. So this shirt has 53% polyester and 35% cotton. So the ink only adheres to polyester or synthetic fabrics and materials. It will not adhere to the cotton. So it is going to look a little bit faded, and it has the potential to wash out of the cotton as you put it through the laundry cycles. So we're going to see how this looks. So now I have my iron heated. My image is face down. I have paper under the top layer of fabric, and I have a paper on top of the image. So here we go. Now for a shirt, I want to press it as long as possible. So I'm going to aim for 40 seconds to a minute. But if my paper starts to turn like brown a little bit, I might take it off earlier. Basically, the longer you can press it and put some pressure on it, the better. The ink transfers to the fabric with heat. And now my iron is freaking out because it's like, this is too hot. That's okay. Oh, another important tip, empty out all the water in your iron and make sure it is on dry mode, no steam. The steam interferes with the process. So I actually didn't start a timer. If I was wanting to be pretty accurate with this, I would start a timer for a minute and get as close to that as possible. When you're doing this, you want to be careful. I mean, ideally I would be using a heat press, which I have, but most of you who are doing this will just have a household iron. The danger in that is moving the iron around can slightly shift your image underneath, and that would cause ghosting, where like it's just gonna leave a border or a slightly pale silhouette of the image on your shirt. So we want it to be as crisp and clear of a transfer as possible. I am moving it around, but that's just because the image is bigger than my iron. Okay, I think that's been about a minute. So we're going to take that off, and don't burn your fingers. We'll take off the paper. And there we have our t-shirt with the image on it.